You make me feel a little higher. The things you do, they make me higher. Make me feel so.
What is up, guys? Hello, I'm back. Last time I checked, it was 2019 when I posted a video, and I was actually just looking through my YouTube and I saw that there were comments and they were like, oh my god, I'm gonna subscribe to you, like you're doing great. Anyways, lots of good stuff that I've been hearing. I'm like, okay, maybe I should do a video. And what better way to start off this year? Not really, it's May. Okay. I guess the first video of the year is I'm gonna be unboxing the Mia Smart by Clarisonic. Now, when I say unboxing, I've actually already opened it because I got really excited. Basically, this is the box, and then this is like a little pamphlet to like tell you how to put it through and the app to download and how to connect it and stuff. So I've already done that. It's already on my phone. Check, done. And I've kind of had time to familiarize myself with my Mia Smart Clarisonic. I have spent the $320, so you don't have to, because it's a lot of money. Really good investment though, don't get me wrong, love the investment. I'm quite happy actually, but I find that I'm breaking out a lot because I've been eating dairy, but two, I've been using this brush and it's like getting all the gunk out. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the Mia Smart, what it is, and the attachments that I got with it. So the attachments come with these little covers on them. I have 3 attachments that I bought separately. This like eye massager one, it's like super duper nice. I have this firm massage head, really cool. And then I have this like radiant, I wish they had the names on them, but it's like a radiant one. It's really nice and soft. I know that the lighting is really bad. I'm in my bathroom right now. Here is my Mia Clarisonic, super cute. Look at that. So we have the power button here. I'm just gonna click it, okay? Right, so we have the Daily Cleanse, Gentle and Smart. Right now it's on Smart because I have a routine that I do. So I'm basically gonna do this pink one. This head comes with the device along with the charger that is Bluetooth. Oh no, hold up. I messed that up. This Bluetooths to your phone so that it can like track my progress with my skin. Really cool. So let's jump into washing my face. Okay, so I'm not wearing any makeup today just because I just wanted to give my face a breather. I didn't do any skincare, I didn't do anything. I didn't even wash my face this morning. It's currently 7:48 p.m. So don't come at me. I'm gonna pop my hair up and we're gonna get this started. They say bathroom has the best lighting, but this isn't working. Oh, also, just a disclaimer. This is not sponsored because I'm not cool enough to be sponsored by Clarisonic. Second of all, this was like $320. I just want to be genuine. I've seen 2 videos about the Clarisonic. No one's really done a fair review. This review probably isn't going to be good either, but I'm just going to try my best. So I am looking up the Daily Radiance Brush Head. So this came with Mia Smart. So this is what it says. So it hugs skin for a perfectly balanced clean. You see more radiant, glowing skin after just 1 week. 96% saw healthier looking skin. I have noticed my skin is really, really glowy after. It's tested on all skin types. Dermatologist tested for gentleness. Automatically connects to an app with Mia Smart. Done, check. Works on all Clarisonic devices. This one retails at $35 if you wanted to get it separately. You have like the Mia Prima, I think is what it's called. Okay, so I tried looking up the descriptions for these. I'm just gonna kind of give my own description of them because first of all, I don't have time to look it up. Second of all, I can't find it. Third of all, I just want to explain them. So this one is for the eyes. Basically do like depuff and like lift your eyes. That's basically all I have to say about this attachment. Next one, we have the firm massager. So a lot of people use them for like their collarbones and around their neck and like their jawline, around the brow bone to give that lift or to get that chiseled jawline, or maybe just to look glowy. I've tried it and like maybe it's supposed to jiggle, but like mine didn't jiggle. It just kind of stayed there and I didn't really know if that was supposed to happen. Cool. And then this one I bought because I forget the reason, but I did. It was like on sale, $39. It's just really soft. If I compare this one and this one's more firm. This one kind of just like glides with it. I prefer this one. Not my best like choice to buy it. I wouldn't really buy it. The only ones that I would buy would be the one that comes with the brush and then the eye one to depuff your eyes. Okay, we have our cute little headband on. Let's get started. I'm gonna go to my Clarisonic app, and essentially I've already set it up and everything, so let me just come over here and show you. Okay, so here is my phone. I have all of these different routines that I have added to my profile. Now today I'm going to do the more radiant and glowing skin. So I think I'm gonna do, let's see, what should I do? I don't have really anything on. Let's do the gentle extended cleanse. Now it's gonna say activating this routine will replace my other one that I used. I'm gonna click yes. And then it's gonna like do a little like vibration thing to let you know that it has synced. So now I'm gonna go in, since I don't really know what I'm doing, this is great for first time users because I'm still new to this, so I don't really know what's going on, but this app is really easy to use. To get your tutorial, I click right on here, somewheres. Okay, well, no, oh no. You click on your routine. And you're gonna go ahead down and do start guided tutorial. So it tells you what you need, your Mia Smart, your daily cleansing radiance brush head, and then your foaming milk cleanser. I just use any cleanser, you know. And then I say get started. So then it's gonna ask me to take a selfie. I'm actually gonna use my last one, and I'm gonna use this photo. Now it's gonna tell you where you're gonna be putting it. So the first beep is gonna be this one. Go down 2, 3, oh, this is 2 as well, 3 and 4, and that's it. So if you click again, it's gonna say to attach it, to put water on it, wet your face, put the cleanser on it, turn it on, and then restart. So basically it's gonna show you where to put it, and it's gonna show you the 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So I'm gonna actually go back, because I don't really know what I'm doing. So let's wet it first. That looks pretty wet to me. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the cleanser on. The only way that I know that this actually works is if it foams up. You know, is that just me? Wet it again, because it's the same thing as using a toothbrush. Only psychopaths put, like, wet it and then put the toothpaste over top. Like, you have to wet it again. It's just a must. Wet our face. Done. Now we're gonna go ahead and click the button. All right. Oh, it's beeping. Number 2, the nose. I have really bad blackheads. Like, they're really bad. Oh, cheek. Other cheek. Do the eyebrows. So not every routine is going to be the same. Basically, I have customized it to my own liking, which means I can add to either exfoliate the eyebrows or do maybe the cheeks again, but there's only a certain limited amount that you can do. Do under the jawline. I think once you get used to it, you definitely can do a freestyle for sure. I'm gonna do the eyes too. I think I have a little bit of mascara on, so. I don't know if this is a good thing, but I like to rinse my face with cold water. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I just feel like it closes up my pores. Maybe it doesn't. You always want to pat your face dry. You never want to wipe it, because over time it's gonna create wrinkles, and you don't want that. So now that we have all the washing done, we are gonna go ahead and change the scenery a little bit. Okay, so now we're in my room. So now that we have the washing part out of the way, I'm gonna quickly go ahead and just shave my face really quick. I know it's not supposed to probably be after you cleanse because your skin's really sensitive, but I'm just gonna do that really quick. If you guys would like a video on how to shave your face properly, let me know in the comments. The reason why I like doing this when my face is cleansed really well is because I have no moisturizer on. I really should be using an oil, but I'm not. Also, another thing that I forgot to show you. This right here is the charger. Really, really cool. Take the Mia Smart Boom, there it is. We're gonna go ahead, boom, and just pop it in there. And now it's gonna charge, which is really cool. I don't really like to keep it on the charger for long because I don't want to ruin the battery, but yeah, it's super cute. Okay, so here is my skin. I am a little broke out, yes, but that's because I pick. Not a good thing. Go ahead and take this Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist, Keila. Quickly put that all over my skin. My skin needed that. I'm gonna go right ahead into the app. Younger looking eyes. So we're gonna do an eye lift. We're gonna do the next head, which is this one. We're gonna go ahead, put it on. At first they're kind of hard to latch on. You kind of have to push in and twist. Don't break it. It's just really difficult to get in. Okay. For this, I'm also gonna use an actual eye cream from Vichy Laboratories, which is the Lift Active Supreme for the eyes. It's really nice. So let's click on start the guided tutorial. So it says to put the attachment on there and then an eye cream of your choice, basically. Follow the zones 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Just gonna pat this in kind of like loosely. It's on Smart on the bottom. That's how you know that we're doing your routine. And we're just gonna go ahead and we're just gonna lightly drag that underneath. So this is gonna be number 1. This feels so nice. I find it kind of tickles my nose, but you get used to it after. This feels really good. Okay, 2. We're gonna move up to the brow bone here. Don't push too hard because you don't want to damage anything. You just want to massage it, right? I'm gonna go back down here because it feels good. Okay, and brow bone. Am I doing this right? Yes, I am. I do it right on top and below my eyebrow because why not, you know? It really tickles. Like, when I first tried it, I was like laughing because it was so ticklish. Okay, and other side, same thing. It's so cold and like cooling. I love it. Helps with crow's feet apparently. Oh, it sounds kind of weird, doesn't it? That's it. We have now completed the eye one and it feels really good. I can still kind of feel the vibration of the Mia Smart, just like all that energy that it put in my face. Since we have our eyes done and snatched, we're gonna go ahead and do my whole face because my whole face is getting really dry. So I'm gonna be using the Dior 24K Prestige Day Cream. We're just gonna take some. We're gonna try out this one. I tried it out once and I thought I put it on wrong. If I can get it out. It's this one. So we're gonna go ahead and put it onto the brush and we're gonna see if that does anything. It doesn't really vibrate. Like, I know it sounds like it, but it doesn't. Like, I'm literally just like smushing this all over my face. But what it's doing is it's pushing it up. You should always push up, never push down. You wanna fight the gravity, not go with it, right? There's this thing that's online, it's called a gua shui. I don't even know, I've been seeing it around. I'm so sorry if I mispronounce it. I have no idea what it is. It like looks like it firms your jaw like crystal. And it's, I don't know, it's like shaped and they like go like this. And then they like do like right here and everything. And it's like, what's going on? My skin does look really glowy and really like hydrated. And I guess that's really nice because if you use your hands are also taking in the hydration. Think about it like that, right? So it's nice to have a machine that you can use to basically not take in all the product. I still need to go through and edit my routines because they're just not long enough for my liking, and I've been getting into it a lot more. I feel like it definitely took in all of the cream that I did use. But besides that, like, it's really nice, really soon my eyes feel nice and cool. This is just a little video just to say, hey, I'm back, kind of. You know, I didn't really think that people actually were subscribed and actually wanted to watch me, you know what I mean? But thank you for joining. If you want to see more, if you have any questions, if you have any ideas, or you just want to be my friend, go ahead and subscribe and like this video and let me know that you're watching. But besides that, you have an awesome day and I will see you in the next video.